is looking at this vase. What attributes of the vase could Marta measure? She could measure the height, weight, or capacity of the vase. What does it mean to measure the height of the vase? It means to find how tall the vase is. What does it mean to measure the weight of the vase? It means to find how heavy the vase is. What does it mean to measure the capacity of the vase? It means to find how much the vase holds. Marta is thinking about 3 tools she can use to measure the vase. Which tool would Marta use to tell about the height of the vase? She would use cubes. Which tool would she use to tell about the weight of the vase? She would use the balance scale. Which tool would she use to tell about the capacity of the vase? She would use the measuring cup. Which attributes of the vase is Marta thinking about now? She is thinking about the color of the vase and what the vase could be used for. Can Marta use any of the tools to tell about these attributes? No, some attributes are not measurable. Look at the flowers. The height and weight of the flowers tell about the flowers and can be described with tools. The color and smell of the flowers are attributes that tell about the flowers, but cannot be described using the tools.
Tools can help us find out some things about an object, but not everything.